wizard, what do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? What do you see?
Hey guys! I have received a request on making a video on this topic as you all are facing problem in updating Kali. Thus, I am making this video on updating index of Kali with some widely used repositories. Don't worry if you ain't getting anything. I am going into this step by step. So first of all, log into your Kali OS as root. Now locate to this directory. What we have to do now is change the repository. Either you can locate to any repository in your browser, or copy the repository mirror from the description below. And paste it in your sources.list, then save the file in the same location with same name. Now try to update Kali. Now you can see that the download speed has improved. Hope it's now solved. But still, if you got any doubts, you can ask me in the comments below. I will surely answer them.